Welcome to this Brand Bitesize. In this video, we'll be looking at how pension contributions extend the basic rate tax band. One common stumbling block is understanding how pension contributions can extend your basic rate tax band, meaning more of your income is taxed at 20% instead of 40% or 45%. When tackling tricky concepts such as this, worked examples are often the best way to clarify understanding. So let's take a look at an example. Lisa has gross earned income of £55,000. She contributed £4,000 gross into a personal pension. So what is her income tax liability? We extend the basic rate band from £37,700 to £41,700 by adding the gross pension contribution of £4,000. The income tax calculation is then as follows. Her gross earned income was £55,000. Her personal allowance of £12,570 is taxed at 0%. Therefore, her taxable income is £42,430. This means £41,700 is taxed at the basic rate of 20%. This is £8,340 of tax. We then calculate what's paid at the higher rate of tax, so £42,430 total taxable income minus £41,700, which is taxed at the basic rate, leaves £730 taxed at 40%, which means £292 of the higher rate tax is payable. This means the total income tax liability is £8,632. Here's a top tip. If the personal pension contribution is stated as net in the question, remember to gross it up. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.